Hey there! So, let's tackle this interesting problem together. The challenge at hand involves customizing the Vim status line in a unique way. The user wants to control how the elements of the status bar are squished when resizing the terminal horizontally. The goal is to ensure that the file name always remains visible, while allowing the dechex values to be squished instead. The current setup squeezes elements from the left, but the desired outcome is to have items on the right get cut off or squished. Quite a specific request, right? Let's see how we can make this happen. Now, diving into the solution provided, we have a crucial piece of code that tweaks the status line behavior just the way the user desires. By manipulating the components in the status line setup, specifically focusing on adjusting the truncation of status bar lines, the user was able to achieve the desired outcome. Removing the code, % and LT code from the file path segment and adding it for the dechex readout allowed for the precise squishing effect the user wanted. It's all about understanding and strategically modifying those status line configurations to get the ideal result. And voila, the problem is effectively solved. To sum it up, we successfully cracked the code to customize the Vim status line behavior according to a specific preference. By making strategic adjustments in the status line setup, we managed to control how elements are squished when resizing the terminal horizontally. With a keen eye for detail and a knack for playing around with Vim scripting, the user was able to achieve a personalized status line layout that suits their needs. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today. Remember to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy Vim scripting!